Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live in a world without forests? Now let's venture into the realm of conservation and restoration efforts. Forests, the lungs of our planet, are vital for our survival, but they face significant threats every day. From deforestation to climate change, our green guardians are under siege. Yet, hope is not lost. Across the globe, individuals and organizations are stepping up, dedicating their time and resources to protect and restore these precious ecosystems. From the dense jungles of the Amazon to the boreal forests of Siberia, their work is as varied as the forest they strive to protect. In this video, we'll hear from these conservation heroes, learning about their struggles, their victories, and their dreams for a greener future. Their stories are a testament to the power of collective action in the face of adversity. So stay tuned as we delve into the world of those who are making a difference. Meet the people who dedicate their lives to preserving our forests. In the heart of the green sanctuary, the unsung heroes tirelessly strive to protect and restore what many of us take for granted, our forests. These are the conservationists, the guardians of our green heritage. Their work is as varied as the forest ecosystems they seek to protect, but they all share one common goal: to preserve and restore our planet's forests. Take a moment to listen to their stories. Shadowing them through their daily routines, we're enlightened about their invaluable work. From waking up at the crack of dawn to patrol the forest boundaries to laboriously planting seedlings in a reforestation project, they are at the front line battling against deforestation. The challenges they face are many. They grapple with illegal logging, encroachment, climate change, and sometimes a lack of resources and support. Yet they remain undeterred. Why, you might ask? It's because they understand the crucial role that forests play in our survival. Forests are not just beautiful to behold, they are the lungs of our planet, absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. They are home to countless species of plants and animals, many of which we are yet to discover. They are our natural shields against climate change and our reservoirs of biodiversity. Our conservationists believe that every tree saved, every seedling planted, brings us one step closer to a sustainable future. Their work is a testament to their profound love for nature and their unwavering belief in the cause. They are the embodiment of the saying, in the end, we will conserve only what we love, we will love only what we understand, and we will understand only what we are taught. As we've heard, the fight to save our forests is both challenging and rewarding. These brave men and women with their hands in the soil and their hearts in the right place remind us that the fate of our forests and ultimately our planet is in our hands. Their stories inspire us to act, to contribute in whatever way we can to the preservation of our planet's forests. Restoring a forest is no easy feat. Let's hear from those who are on the ground, making it happen. Indeed, the task of reforestation is akin to painting a masterpiece. But instead of a canvas and palette, our artists wield shovels and saplings. Their canvas? The scarred landscapes that once thrived with biodiversity. Their palette? The myriad of tree species, each with a unique role in the intricate tapestry of the forest ecosystem. Meet the individuals who have dedicated their lives to this noble cause. Their workday begins with the sun as they trek into the heart of the wilderness, armed with a mission to restore. From selecting the right tree species, preparing the ground, planting the saplings, to nurturing them until they can stand tall on their own. Every step is a labor of love carried out with unwavering dedication. Their work is a dance with nature, a careful choreography that respects the rhythm of the earth. They understand that each tree species has a unique tempo, a specific time to grow, a particular place to thrive. This dance is not just about planting trees, but about creating habitats, restoring ecosystems, and ensuring biodiversity. But what drives these individuals? It's the belief that their efforts today will yield a healthier, greener planet tomorrow. It's the satisfaction of seeing a barren landscape transform into a thriving forest, teeming with life. It's the knowledge that each tree they plant is a breath of fresh air, a home for wildlife, a piece of the puzzle in the fight against climate change. And the impact of these projects? It's monumental. Reforestation not only breathes life back into degraded lands, but also acts as a powerful carbon sink, helping to mitigate the effects of climate change. It preserves biodiversity, protects water resources, and provides livelihoods for local communities. Through their tireless efforts, these individuals are giving our forests a second chance. So as we delve deeper into the world of conservation, let's remember the unsung heroes who are sowing the seeds of hope, one tree at a time. The work of conservationists and reforestation projects has a profound impact on our planet. Their efforts echo through the whispering leaves of the forests they restore and resonate in the heartbeats of the creatures that call these green spaces home. These heroes toil day in and day out, their hands deep in the soil, planting the seeds of life that will grow into towering trees. Their labor is one of love and dedication, a commitment to the preservation of our planet's lungs, our forests. This is not a task for the faint of heart, but rather for those with a vision of a greener, healthier world. The fruits of their labor are manifold. Forests act as nature's own filtration system, purifying the air we breathe by absorbing carbon dioxide and releasing oxygen. Moreover, they provide essential habitats for countless species, many of which are endangered due to deforestation. The restoration of these habitats gives these creatures a chance at survival, a chance they otherwise would not have. But the impact of these efforts extends beyond the immediate environment. Forests are a crucial part of the global climate system. By absorbing carbon dioxide, they serve as an essential buffer against climate change. The restoration and conservation of forests are thus pivotal in our battle against this global crisis. Let's not forget the socioeconomic benefits either. Forests provide livelihoods to millions of people around the world, from those who work directly in forest industries to those who depend on the resources they provide. Thus, conservation and restoration efforts can also contribute to economic stability and poverty reduction. But perhaps the most profound impact of all is on future generations. The work being done today is creating a world where our children and grandchildren can breathe clean air, marvel at the diversity of life, and enjoy the tranquility only a forest can provide. The fight to save our forests is a fight for our future. It's a fight for cleaner air, for biodiversity, for climate stability, for economic prosperity, and for the well-being of generations yet unborn. It's a fight we cannot afford to lose. The preservation of our forests is a responsibility we all share. It's not just about the conservationists, the scientists, or the policymakers. It's about every single one of us. Our actions, no matter how small they may seem, can have an enormous impact on the health and future of our forests. So how can you get involved? There are countless ways to contribute to the conservation and restoration of our forests. Why not start by planting a tree? It might sound simple, yet it has profound implications. Each tree you plant is a breath of fresh air, a habitat for countless species, a natural carbon sink, and a testament to your commitment to nature. But planting a tree is just the beginning. There are many other ways to support our forests. You can volunteer for local reforestation projects, join cleanup initiatives, or even start your own conservation drive. Perhaps you're more interested in policy and advocacy. You can write to your local representatives, urging them to support forest conservation measures. You can educate your friends and family about the importance of forests and the threats they face. You can use social media to raise awareness and inspire others to take action. And of course, you can support organizations that are working on the front lines of forest conservation and restoration. Your donations, your time, your voice, they all matter. The beauty of it all? You don't have to do it alone. There are many communities of like-minded individuals out there, ready to lend a hand and share in the joy and satisfaction of protecting our forests. Remember, every tree planted, every forest saved makes a difference. Together, we can ensure a greener future for our planet. It's a future where our forests continue to thrive, to inspire, to nurture. It's a future that we can be proud to pass on to the generations that follow. So let's roll up our sleeves and get to work. Let's make a difference, one tree, one forest at a time, because our forests deserve nothing less.